took 9 days of deliberations for the jury to reach that verdict. Both Google, YouTube's parent company, and Meta have been ordered to pay millions of dollars in damages to a 20-year-old woman. Hugs and celebrations outside the courthouse Wednesday as the first of its kind lawsuit came to a close.
The verdict was a finding of liability on all counts against both Meta and YouTube.
The jury ruled that Meta and YouTube deliberately designed their platforms to hook young users without regard for their well-being. The 20-year-old plaintiff testified that social media addiction as a child affected her mental health.
And they found that Meta's failure to operate their platform in a reasonably prudent fashion, YouTube's defenses that they were just TV, were shunned by the jury, and the jury said that YouTube, Google, failed to operate YouTube in a reasonable fashion.
Total compensatory and punitive damages come to $6 million, with Meta paying 70% and YouTube 30%. Parents outside the courtroom said their children had been targeted too.
Big tech, your gig is over.
This was a conscious decision that they made. It was not an accident, and parents are not to blame.
Legal experts say this verdict sends a strong message to other social media platforms.
This law that you've used for decades to protect you against civil liability may not protect you anymore.
Meta says it disagrees with the verdict and will appeal.
Teen mental health is profoundly complex and cannot be linked to a single app.
Google says in part, quote, "This case misunderstands YouTube, which is a responsibly built streaming platform, not a social media site," end quote. The Los Angeles verdict comes just 1 day after a New Mexico jury ruled a social media company harmed kids' mental health with a $375 million fine. It'd be interesting if we see a lot more of these lawsuits.